Welcome back to Cakes Factory. I'm your host Sumbal Shahzadi. Today we are showing you 20 adorable fondant animal cupcakes that are perfect for kids, parties, and anyone who love cute cake art. Let's dive into. The first one is lion cupcakes. Golden mane, little ear, and a happy fondant face. The king of the cupcake jungle. The next is elephant cupcake. Pink fondant ears, a cute track, and a tiny tusk make this design truly unforgettable. The next is monkey cupcake. A cheeky smile face, round ears, and a swirl of chocolate icing. The next is panda bear cupcakes. Black and white fondant pieces form a curly panda face. Adorable. Looks stunning and a different, unique style. The next is giraffe cupcake. Tall ear, little horns, and fondant spots on yellow icing. Sweet and tall. The next is fox cupcake. Orange fondant with a white sonnet and a cute eyes, ears. The next is zebra cupcake. Black and white strips with bold fondant eyes and a wild mane. The next is hippo cupcake. Gray fondant face, tiny nostrils, and big smiling teeth. The next is owl cupcake. Bright eyes, little feathers, and fondant wings make this a wise and cute rat. The next is tiger cupcake. Bold orange with black stripes and tiny fondant paws. The next is sheep cupcakes. Puffing eyes as wool and a sweet fondant face trunked in the middle. Black and white. If you like these ideas or any idea and want to bake these cupcakes, take a screenshot of it and bake your favorite cake. The next is piglet cupcake. Pink fondant with a round sonnet and two little ears on top. The next is duckling cupcake. Yellow fondant with an orange beak and fondant wings. Look for yellow or duckling favorites. The next is dog face cupcake. Fondant nose, tongue, and puppy ears. Eyes. Perfect for pet lovers or dog lovers. The next is cat cupcakes. Tiny whiskers or a tail, fondant tail, pointed ears. Looks stunning and perfect for cat lovers. The next is cow cupcakes. Black fondant spots, cute pink sonnet, and little ears. The next is penguin cupcake. Black and white fondant with an orange beak and feet. The next is bunny cupcake. White fondant face with big beak, pink ears, and fluffy tail. Looks stunning and amazing. Bunny cupcakes, white fondant face with big pink ears and a fluffy tail. The next is turtle cupcakes, green fondant shell with tiny legs and smiling face. The least and last one is bee cupcakes, striped yellow and black body with fondant wings and a tiny stinger. Here are some tips to follow to make a fondant animal topper cupcakes easily. Use small silicone models for perfect shapes. Add detail using edible pens or piping gel. Store it in an airtight container if making a hat. Which animal cake is your favorite? Let us know in the comment below. Like this video if you love creative cake art. Subscribe to Cakes Factory for more sweet and amazing, unforgettable ideas to make your day or event more amazing or special. And share this video with your friends and family members or favorite baker or cake artist who love cake art. Thank you for watching. See you in the next sweet video. Till that, take care of yourself and share your love with your loved ones.